Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So my dear students, today I am here with a remaining exercise of chapter number 11 water from your science book. So my dear students, in the explanation of this chapter you will learn about sources of water, storage of water, drinking water and how to save water. Now students, let's do the remaining exercise of this chapter. Question number A, B and C is already done. Now we are going to do the question number D. Answer the following. The first question is list any 4 uses of water. So my dear students, here you have to write 4 uses of water. So the 4 uses of water are cooking, bathing, drinking and washing. You have to write these 4 uses of water in the answer of question number 1. Now let's come to the question number 2. What is groundwater? So my dear students, in the explanation of this chapter I already explained you about groundwater. So the definition for groundwater is the rainwater that seeps into the ground is known as groundwater. Now let's come to the third question. Name any 3 things we use to store water at home. So students, here you have to name any 3 things that you use to store water at home. So in the answer of third question, you have to write tank, bucket and drum. Now let's come to the question number 4. Why should we not drink dirty water? So students, why should we not drink dirty water? Because dirty water can make us ill. So the answer of question number 4 is because dirty water can make us ill. Now let's come to the question number 5. Give 3 ways in which we can save water. The first one is by storing rainwater. So students, here you have to write 3 ways in which we can save water. So the first one is by storing rainwater. And the second one is close the tap when not in use. The third one is by fixing the leaking taps or pipes. So this was the answer of questions that is given here. I think you understood about this question answer. You have to write this in your CW and fair copy with the help of PDF that is given in your WhatsApp group. Now let's recall and complete the concept map given below. So students, here concept map is given. You have to complete this concept map. Rainwater. So students, in the first box you have to answer we can collect rainwater collected in, look at the first box here, you have to write 3 things where we can store, sorry, here you have to write here you have to write where rainwater is collected. So the first one is rivers, second ponds, and the third one is lakes. Water are collected in rivers, pond and lakes. Now let's come to the next box, fills. So students, rainwater fills ponds, P-O-N-D-S ponds, L-A-K-E-S lakes, and R-I-V-E-R-S rivers. Now let's come to the next box, seeps into the, so students, rainwater seeps into the ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. The rainwater seeps into the ground and is known as groundwater. Now let's come to the next box. River water can be used by building DAMS dams and CANALS canals. Now let's come to the last box. This water can be used by digging WELLS wells and HANDPUMPS hand pumps. Now let's observe. Look at the picture and answer the following. So students, here you have to look at the picture. The first one is why do you think all these fruits and vegetables have been soaked? So students, look at this picture. Here some fruits and vegetables are soaked in water. Okay, so the first question is why do you think all these fruits and vegetables have been soaked? Because here in this picture all the fruits and vegetables are soaked in water. Second one, do you think this is a good idea? Why? Yes, this is a good idea. Because by doing this activity we can save water. The third one is, can you think of 3 more ways to save water? So students, there are many ways to save water. Here you have to think about 3 more ways to save water. That is, students, we can save water in many ways. The first one is, we should not let the tap run when we brush our teeth. So students, we should always turn off the tap while brushing our teeth. Second one is, we should not waste water while bathing or washing. So students, we should not waste water while bathing or washing. We have to use only small amount of water that we need. The last one is, we should get leaking taps and pipes fixed. So students, we have to always repair the leaking taps and pipes to save water. So students, in these ways we can save the water. Now you have to complete this concept map in your fair copy, and you have to learn the question answer from this chapter. I hope you understood about the exercises from this chapter by the help of this video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.